Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open bank account online of HSBC UK Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for HSBC UK Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now we can see banking option. Now choose the account type. Let's go for bank account. And scroll down and we can see this option called apply now. So let's tap on this. Now choose your country. And choose the details. And simply click on start application. Now we need to follow 6 steps here. At first we need to enter all of our personal details. Once all of the details is done, simply click on continue. After this, we get into next step in which we need to enter our contact details. After that, we need to provide employment or financial details. After which, verification of all the details provided will be done and we'll review it. And we also need to provide our identity cards as well. Once all of the information and the requirements is completed, finally our bank account will be opened online. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.